I think what we're seeing is you've got to recover your missionary mindset, that you can't, like, if a church has a lot of churches they all begin hopefully with the missionary mindset, where they want to reach people, they want to tell people about Jesus. So we see in the book of Acts all throughout church history. I mean, our churches exist because people continued that missionary mindset.
Yes. Hmm.
But what can happen is, as a church gets established and the needs grow, there's counseling that needs to happen, member care, discipleship. There's kids ministry, student ministry, men's ministry, budget meetings, deacons meetings. I mean, there's just so many things that begin to happen, and a lot of them are very good. But if we're not careful, we can drift from missionary mode into maintenance mode,
Mm.
where it's like, we got to maintain this stuff and keep doing these things that we're building and doing here internally. Well, if you stay there too long, and if you lose the focus on the mission field, on your neighbors, on the unbelievers, you can drift from missionary mode to maintenance mode. And then
Mm.
eventually you end up in museum mode,
Huh. Yeah.
where the church is just filled with the relics of the past, filled with memories, filled with do you remember wins, and never current celebrations.
Hmm.
And so I think there are a lot of churches that have drifted into museum mode or are stuck in maintenance mode, but they can recover the missionary mode. And we've got to recover that zeal for evangelism, the zeal for wanting people to meet Jesus. I mean, Jesus has to be supreme in our churches. He has to be central, not our brands, not our politics, not our anything else that would take over. And we need to recover telling people about Jesus again, simply.
Yeah.